Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add new language on your Google Chrome. So the first thing to do, you can open your Chrome browser and click at the top right corner of your screen and go to the settings. Here, as you can see, there are some options that you can try. One of the options is the languages. Click it and here we go. The preferred language by default is the English United States. This language is used when translating pages, and also this language is used to display menu settings, alerts, and other text in Chrome. So the second one, this is the English, but this is the the UK, not the US. And here, in order to change it, you can move to the top. And here, let website know the language you speak. They will show content in those languages. When possible, you can click add language. So you can search your language, for example, a bahasa, or just type the country, like a German, for example. You can click to add. Now here you can move to the top in order to make it default language. And also there is a spell check. You can use this check for spelling errors when you type text on web pages. So you can use the basic or enhanced spell check. Here you can use spell check for English. You can turn on German and Indonesian. And here the Google Translate, when on, Google Translate will offer to translate sites into your preferred language. It can also automatically translate sites. So here you can add more language, automatically translate this language. Here, for example, you can add English or any native language you use. And here, never over to translate these languages. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.